Hello friends, welcome to Timeless Foodies. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to this channel, I share delicious healthy recipes, and today I'm here with white soya bean recipe. It's nutrition's very high in proteins and very good for your health. It goes well with roti, rice, puri. So let's start. So stay tuned until the end of this video. So I've taken white soya beans which I've soaked overnight. You can also soak it 4 to 5 hours before you cook it. And I've taken 4 tomatoes, 2 onions and whole garam masalas, few curry leaves and also green chilies. So we'll be pressure cooking it because soya beans is a little harder. So I've taken a pressure cooker, added sufficient oil, so one or 2 teaspoons. Here I'm adding whole garam masala, that is 1 cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 6 cloves and 1 mace. So we'll fry it until we get the aroma of the whole garam masala. Here I have chopped the onions. So we'll fry these onions until it is light brown. So I'm cooking this in low flame. So we'll mix it well. You can also add salt so that the onions gets cooked faster. So you can see now it has turned light brown. So now adding the chopped tomatoes. So we'll cook these tomatoes until they are nice and soft. Stir it well. Getting an amazing aroma as well while we are cooking. Also I have added here 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So we'll mix it all well until it is soft. So I'm mashing the tomato since it has already cooked. So while we cook it, these are the masalas that I'll be adding. There's turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, jeera powder and also kasuri methi with garam masala powder. Nice aroma coming my way. So I'm adding salt as per my taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. My red chili powder is not very hot, so that's the reason I'm adding more. You can add less depending upon the red chili powder you're using. Add in here 3 green chilies and few curry leaves. Mix all this well. It's a very easy recipe actually, and cooks, and you can make it fast too since it's pressure cooking. Now goes the soya bean which we have soaked it overnight. So mix all this well. So since we have to pressure cook it, we have to add water as well in this. So I am adding here 2 glasses of water. So what you have to do is you can add glasses of water depending upon how much like you want it to be gravy, soupy. So before that I've also added 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. You might have noticed while I was talking. So here I've added 2 glasses of water. So basically the entire soya beans should be immersed in this water. So we'll be adding that much, nothing less, nothing more. So at this point of time we will check it as the taste, how is the taste, whether the salt and the spices are sufficient, especially the hot. If you want red chili powder, you can add more, and salt. So I found we can add a little bit of salt, so I've added more salt and also a little bit of red chili powder. Mix all this well. So now is the time that we pressure cook it. So in high flame I have pressure cooked it for 3 to 4 whistles. So now let me check if the soya bean has cooked well or not. If at all it is still a little hard, you can again pressure cook it for 1 or 2 more whistles. So here it has cooked really well, it has become soft. So we'll mash some part of the soya bean over here so that the soup is a little thick. So I have mashed part of the soya beans. You can use a masher. I'm so lazy, I'm using the spatula as well only. So I have switched on the gas stove. So we'll cook it for some more time until we can see the oil. You can see the soup has become a little thicker. So until you can see the oil on the top, we'll cook it until then. And finally we'll also add here kasuri methi. I have crushed kasuri methi and added almost a half teaspoon of it. We'll mix all this well. Now this is done. You can see the oil on the top. So here it is, the white soya bean recipe from Timeless Foodies. It's ready to serve. Switch off the gas stove. Have it with roti, puri, rice. You will love it. here it is. Especially if you are having kids who want protein, do try this recipe and share this recipe with your family and friends. And if you like it, do hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So see you in the next video with other tasty healthy recipe. Bye bye. God bless.